following counties in Pennsylvania: Fayette, Washington, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Essen, or 10 miles southeast of Jacksonville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Connellsville, Mount Essen, California, Denora, Mount Pleasant, Scottsdale, Monongahela, Charleroi, West Newton, Bentleyville, New Stanton, South Connellsville, Perryopolis, Seven Springs, North Belle Vernon, Wickerham Manor, Fisher, Baylen, North Charleroi, Spears, and Belle Vernon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 33 and 55. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 79 and 99. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather Bulletin.